Before we start, those who have not seen video 2, Sound in the Background, will not be aware that we are using these devices placed on the rear of the back scene instead of the speakers as shown in the first video. In effect, the back scene has now become our speaker. We have all read the comment, I changed to DCC because I wanted sound and lights. With the advancement in technology, particularly in the IT and telecoms area, myself and others are beginning to believe we can now have these features without changing to DCC. The first thing I would like to show you is light operation. Of course, it is not as sophisticated as DCC, but it is a simple idea, giving permanent lights without batteries, capacitors or complex electronics. This modification simply plugs into the DCC socket on board the engine, and the lights on the Class 50 or indeed any engine so modified are sourced from the DC controller. The cost? Well, approximately £2. We switch the track direction switch forward, and there we have, there's our lights. Let's put it into reverse, or the lights are shown on the rear of the engine. And there they are. What I shall do now is roll the engine down to you, but we don't need to start the engine as such on a gradient on this side. Watch. You may recall as youngsters, or even now if you use DC, that the more carriages we put behind the engine, the more load is on the motor and hence a higher setting and more voltage is required. Our ski ramp acts in a similar manner. Because the sound produced is relative to voltage as opposed to speed steps, the driving experience is more prototypical. We need power from our throttle to get up the gradient, but none to roll back down again. Okay, using our class 25 again, we're going to run it up and down this length of line a couple of times, and the sound is going to follow it coming from the back scene behind it. Now all the sounds are going to be triggered from the gauge master control unit itself, and we're not going to rely on any function buttons to notch up or notch down the sound. The only button we're going to use is the horn button. Final part of this video, we're going to add in all them sounds we featured on the second video, all our environmental or ambient sounds in the background.